Hi, I'm Melanie from Melanie Shore Yoga, and today we're going to be doing Bakasana, also known as crow pose. So you want to bring your hands on the mat like this. Your wrist should be directly underneath your shoulders, and you want to spread your fingers so your middle fingers face forward. So the weight is going to be equally distributed in the palm of your hands. So for crow pose, you come up, you're gonna bend your elbows not out but in towards you. You put your knees in your armpits and your shins on your upper arms, and you slowly bring each toe up. If you're having problems, if you're a beginner, you can do one leg, do the other leg, find the balance before you bring both feet up. You can also roll the mat and place your hands like this to protect your wrists if you have bad wrists. Another way that you can do this is to put your head on blocks, especially if you have lower back problems. This is a good way to do this because it pulls in your lower back. So you can put your hands on beside the blocks, put your head on the blocks and come up like this, or one block, and eventually you'll use no blocks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy doing crow pose at home.